that next target, and I had mentioned GIS General Mills in my previous videos. An objective entry short if a break off this primary channel were enacted, really off the hourly time frame, very short-term stuff, not really holding for long-term positions, very small, smaller positions with again a few weeks, maybe a few days to play out. And what happened was we put in the sell signal here off the hourly chart, each kind of representing 60 minutes here. And we came in back testing. If you had copied my charts to the T here, we actually back tested once, back tested twice, and got firmly rejected off that primary trend line, off that primary channel. And that was good for a 4.5% drop there. And usually a breakdown will have a back test, not always, but sometimes there. And really what we did is we came back up, and if you're an active and or day trader, you could have taken this right back up to my resistance level at that $69.99 price resistance for a 1.3% drop on the day. Sold right there. That's exactly what they did, and came right back. And or you could have flipped it, went short here if you're a super active trader, and got 1% two ways. You know, one way up here for a 1.3% drop, then you take it right back down. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. That was a sell signal on the near term time frames here off the hourly, and it has done nothing but stair step lower here. So we'll see what happens. Great time to collect, you know, a little bit of some profit, maybe set some up for maybe you know, spread out some for free, and maybe try and gun for these next targets here. So if there's anything else that develops with this stock, I'll let you know. We are sort of oversold here on the hourly, and we do have punctures below the zero lines here, both in the MACD and oscillator. So the near term it is bearish. Maybe we do get a little bit of some choppy action, and gun for some of these, a little bit more of these targets. If we do come across that 67 price support, I would only expect a solid break below that. I believe would put in a secondary sell signal, and I believe will probably come and backfill the gap. So I mean, that would be the primary scenario that would most likely play out, in my opinion. Again, huge, bigger support to be focused in on here at that 67. And we'll see if we even retest it. Maybe we never retest it. Maybe this is the bottom here, and we start to stair step a little bit higher. But solid break below that 67. I believe all eyes will be on deck for that level, and a rush for the exits if broken, and a backfill the gap. Anything's possible. We'll just have to play it by ear, be patient, and remain focused for that next setup at hand.